really we started with them saying, this is a debate unit. And then we started looking into plastic water bottles. Then we started looking around the school, and we actually gathered assertions that were chosen by us.
We looked at the SDGs and connected them, like the buses are connected climate action, number 13. Food waste is basically connected to all of them.
We learned about the vocabulary of debate, like maybe assertions and like proposition and opposition.
We began to research different assertions, and we also did some interviews.
An assertion is kind of like the topic that the opposition and proposition is supposed to debate about, and use evidence to support or not support the assertion.
There were like about 4 different assertions we could choose from, and we decided if those are like good assertions and if we could debate it. So then it narrowed down to 4. There were plastic bottles, food waste, sustainable energy, and school uniforms. So we started researching both sides, proposition and opposition, and why we think that assertion is correct or incorrect.
We prepared to argue both sides, and then the teacher would pick which side we would be on, like the proposition or the opposition. So we would find evidence and reasons for each proposition and opposition side, and then after we get picked which side we are going to be in, we will try to use that and make it into our use the evidence and reasons that we made.
We needed to research both sides because when you get on proposition, you need to know a lot of stuff about proposition and opposition, because for our rebuttals, we needed to state that the opposition's claim was incorrect.
I did find it interesting that we had to research both topics because I haven't done that before. It made me feel like I had a sense of unity for both sides.
It's much easier to write rebuttals because you know what they're going to talk about, you know what the important issues are, and you know their reasons. Well, in life, it's like empathy. You're seeing the other side of an argument, so you're not stuck in one point of view.
If you thought of only one side, you would never think of the other side and what's happening, and you would only be oh no, this is right, that's wrong. But if you research about both sides and then you find out that's also right, but this is also wrong, you can get deeper and you know more, and you can't be oh yeah, you can be more open-minded. Yeah.